My dear elder, let me begin with a gentle warning that may surprise you. If you are over 65 and still drinking plain water every day, believing it is keeping you healthy, you may actually be weakening your own muscles without even realizing it. Yes, even if you drink 8 glasses a day, water alone is no longer enough after 60. And that is exactly why doctors are shocked, because something so simple has been hiding in plain sight. As a doctor, I have seen seniors who were active, mindful, and independent suddenly start falling, losing balance, or waking up at night with severe leg cramps. Their knees gave way, their steps felt heavier, and their afternoons were filled with unexplained fatigue. And do you know what we found? In most cases, they were simply missing one tiny ingredient in their water. A small change that turns ordinary water into what I call smart water. Today, I will show you exactly what that ingredient is, why it matters so much after 60, and how adding it can boost hydration, muscle strength, and even brain clarity. This is not a medicine, not an expensive supplement, but something you can do right in your kitchen today. But before we begin, I'd love to know, where are you watching this video from, and what time is it right now? Share in the comments below. I love hearing from you, and it helps remind us all that we are walking this journey together. Now, let's begin. After the age of 60, your body's relationship with water begins to quietly change. You may drink 2 or 3 steel glasses of water, thinking it's enough, but your muscles, joints, and even your brain are no longer absorbing that water the way they once did. Why? Because your muscle cells, which used to act like soft sponges, lose their elasticity with age. Water flows straight through instead of being stored where it is needed most. This is why so many seniors feel sudden leg cramps at night, unexplained fatigue during the day, or back pain when waking up. The body is not just asking for water, it is begging for water that can stay inside the cells. And here's the second hidden truth. As we grow older, our bodies also lose more essential minerals like magnesium and potassium through urine. These quiet workers keep your muscles strong, your balance steady, and your nerves calm. When they are not replaced, water slips away and weakness creeps in. I remember Uncle Raghavan from Coimbatore. He proudly told me he drank 8 to 10 glasses of water daily, yet still felt heavy and foggy. But when he added 1 slice of lemon and just a pinch of pink Himalayan salt to his morning water, the cramps he had lived with for years disappeared within days. His doctor explained it beautifully. Your body didn't need more water. It needed smarter water. So let's talk about the first principle. Take 1 or 2 thin slices of fresh lemon, not bottled juice, but real lemon. Drop them into a glass of room temperature water. Add just a pinch of pink Himalayan salt or pure sea salt. Stir it gently. This drink supports hydration at a cellular level. The lemon provides citric acid, which helps your small intestine absorb water better, and vitamin C, which supports collagen, the protein that keeps your joints elastic. The mineral salt provides magnesium and potassium, exactly what your muscles crave to hold water and stay strong. Within a week of starting this, many elders feel their cramps ease, their balance improve, and their energy lift. But sometimes lemon and salt are not enough. That's when we turn to the second principle, natural electrolyte powder. You may think electrolytes are only for athletes, but after 60, seniors often need them more than young athletes. Why? Because your thirst signal becomes weaker. You don't feel thirsty even when your body is dehydrated. On top of that, blood pressure tablets and diuretics wash away minerals faster. No matter how much water you drink, it is not enough unless you replace those minerals. Let me tell you about Mr. Arun, a 71-year-old gentleman from Madurai. He loved his morning walks, but in recent months he felt dizzy when standing up, sometimes even losing his balance while bathing. His family feared it might be a stroke, but after testing, the truth was simpler: silent dehydration. We added 1 clean, sugar-free electrolyte powder to his morning water. Within 10 days, he felt steadier, climbed stairs with more confidence, and told me, "Doctor, the walls are no longer my walking stick." That is the power of replenishing minerals. But maybe you don't like the salty taste of electrolytes. That's okay. There is a gentler third option: freeze-dried coconut water. This is simply fresh coconut water carefully dried into a light powder. It carries the same potassium and magnesium of fresh coconut water, but without the hassle of storing coconuts at home. Just a teaspoon in a glass of water becomes a soothing, natural drink. Mrs. Lada, a retired teacher from Mumbai, felt exhausted every summer. Her joints ached, her mood dipped, and she avoided stairs. She couldn't tolerate electrolyte powders. But 1 week of coconut water powder at 11 a.m. every day transformed her. She called me and said, "Doctor, I went to the temple and climbed all the steps without holding the rail." That is the beauty of gentle hydration. It doesn't shout, it quietly supports you. And finally, the fourth principle, one that surprises many elders: low-dose creatine. You may think of creatine as a gym supplement for bodybuilders, but science now shows that after 60, a tiny daily dose, just half a teaspoon, can help seniors as well. Creatine holds water inside the muscle cells where it belongs. It supports short bursts of energy like standing from a chair, climbing stairs, or lifting groceries. And even more remarkable, it supports the brain, reducing memory lapses and afternoon fog. Mr. Romesh, a 70-year-old retired principal from Bangalore, had begun to fear stairs. He started using the handrail every morning. After 1 month of just half a teaspoon of creatine before bed, he was climbing 3 floors without stopping. His words touched me deeply. It wasn't a miracle, it was science done gently. So my dear elder, let me leave you with this. Water alone is not enough after 60. Your body needs help to hold on to it. A slice of lemon with mineral salt, a spoon of electrolyte powder, a glass of coconut water, or a pinch of creatine. Each of these is a gentle companion that can bring strength back to your muscles, balance to your steps, and calm to your mind. But please remember, this guidance is for general awareness. If you live with blood pressure, kidney challenges, or other conditions, check with your doctor before trying anything new. Your health is personal, and your safety comes first. Now I want to hear from you. If one of these tips touched you, type the word 1 in the comments below. If it didn't, type 0 so I know what to improve. And if you know a friend, a neighbor, or a loved one who could benefit from this message, please share this video with them. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon, because more quiet but powerful health tips are coming your way. Until we meet again, stay kind to your body and let your water become your medicine.